Man, what is going on, YouTube? It's been a minute. When I say a minute, I mean over a year. Wow. Wow. But I am RB King. And I don't even know what channel this is going on. We have so many channels, but I know for sure what I'm going to be doing is consolidating our King House 9 channel and my business channel to convert it to what we are now going to be going over, which is our family off-grid homesteading, converting our life to fully giving it over to Christ and how he wants us to do things and what he has told us to do. So the first thing, we live here in the city right now, but we're planning on moving on the outskirts of town just to be more, secluded and away from the everyday hustle and bustle, the rat race. So we're going to be turning where we live now into our 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom home into 5 bathrooms, one, two, three, four bathrooms, 6-bathroom, 5. Sorry. I showed y'all in another video. I'll link it, our home. But yeah, we're going to be going and converting this home into a mini homestead as we start to learn things about solar and about gardening and about self-sustainability to live. All right, so this video actually is going to be just me. We're going into hydroponics. We're going to look into aquaponics, and then we have a raised bed over here. Please forgive our yard, we're just getting stuff together now, but we have a raised bed that I bought over here. We're going to buy another one. My wife bought this one over here, and then this jacuzzi was here when we got here. We were planning on revitalizing it at some point. Never happened. We've been here over a year. Hasn't happened. So my wife's seen that you can turn that into aquaponics, so we're gonna be looking into that as well. But yeah, it's been a journey, man. So much stuff has happened, so we're gonna update you guys throughout these videos. And also my wife's gonna get on here and tell you about what's happened with her. She had a near-death experience, actually an actual death reincarnation type experience. We're doing things with, I've been on tour back, and God has called me to do something else. I don't even play the drums anymore. So we have a lot to go over, and it's definitely not gonna go into this video. But you know what? I'm gonna hit y'all with the Who's House, King House intro from our King family video. Some of y'all never seen that, so check this out. Who's House? King's House.
And once again, our fan's not an average fan, but a God-given blended type of thing. She told me in high school we'd be married one day. Now look at us with our big family, and we giving it up to the G.O.D. because he had it all planned it out for a week. We come from the CBT, even left LB to come from blessings for our family in AZ.
Who's house? The King's house. Cool, huh? Yeah, that's the whole family on there. It's a whole family on there. So without further ado, what we're going to be going on today, I bought this aquaponics setup. I was going to build one, just go buy the PVC from the store and build one, but that didn't happen. I just ended up buying one off of Amazon. I had a coupon code, got it for like $70. It's in this box here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that set up, and then yeah, see what came with it. I also bought some, I'm trying to do, even though we're in the city, still have power, still have water, still have all that, trying to do some things off grid like to just kind of get used to it. So I bought these solar air pump doohickeys here. Yeah, that's my whole setup. We do it big. I've been doing this for a minute. I just haven't been on for a while. So we got the lights and the overview camera. So you guys are gonna get some good videos out of us. Yeah, man, I'm excited. I'm let's get it. Let's go. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this box open. I'll be talking to you guys throughout it, letting you guys know what we're doing, why we're doing it, how we're doing it, and then you guys will have an overhead view, so you can see us unboxing everything. and getting it set up and where it's going to go and what we're planning on planting there. Our goal is to really be self-sufficient and, fully give everything over to the Lord, allow him to do what he needs to do with us. I'm going to get more in depth. It's not going to be a quick race. We're going to be here for a long time. We're going to make a lot of content, because I think at first I wasn't going to share a lot of these things, but I think God's calling us to share with you guys our journey. All right, so let's get started.